Hi guys, I am Megha and welcome to my channel Perky Makes. If you are new here for the first time, then I upload videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle every Monday and Friday. And today's video is all about tummy tuckers. A lot of you requested me to do a detailed video on tummy tuckers, how to use them, how to choose the size and everything from where to buy. So this video is all about tummy tuckers. Before we move on to the video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all such fashion advices and more pics and more fashion updates. So do follow on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Perky Makes. And now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, first of all, what is a tummy tucker? So basically when you have a belly fat and you want to wear something like a fitted dress, then tummy tuckers help you to get like a flat belly, because they, when you wear these tummy tuckers, they look like this, and when you wear it, it makes your tummy, flat tight, because it's tight, it gives a pressure on your belly and then it becomes flat and looks really nice on the fitted dresses. So this is how the tummy tuckers look like. Now from where you have to buy the tummy tuckers, you can buy it from branded lingerie brands, high-end brands, and then you can buy it from local lingerie store. So this is an online purchase that I did from a brand, and then this one is from a local store. Now personally I prefer the local non-branded ones over the branded ones. Now I will tell you why. Because I have observed that the branded ones don't come with like these under wires, and then local ones, the non-branded ones, have these type of two wires on the front and two wires on the back, and what it does is that it makes the belly flat. While I figured out that when I wear the branded ones which don't have the wire, usually a lot of them don't come with a wire, at least I haven't found the one that comes with a wire. So it doesn't, I feel it doesn't make the belly so flat as this makes. So from my opinion, this is an expensive one, like it comes for about 1000 to 1500. The branded ones are all high-end lingerie brand tummy tuckers come for about 1000 to 1500 to 1600, and the local one come in the range of 350 to 650, and which is like really great because you get a better flat stomach and you are paying less price. So according to me, go for local ones. Now you can get this non-branded ones in all the local lingerie stores, like in Sarojini Nagar. In Delhi, there are a lot of local lingerie stores. I have bought tummy tuckers from there, and then in Gurgaon, I bought it from Sector 14 market, the local lingerie stores. So there is no brand written on the local ones, so you can buy it from there. Just make sure that they have the front two and the back two wires, the vertical wires, because they really help in keeping the belly really flat, and it should be thick, because in my experience the thick ones make the belly flatter. So this is my experience, my advice, that I would always prefer the non-branded one over the branded one. Now the next question is how to choose the size of a tummy tucker. This is the most asked question all the time on my comment section. So as per my experience, the size of the tummy tucker should be the same as the size of your panty. Like if you are wearing a size S panty, then you should choose a tummy tucker in S size. If medium, then medium size. If you wear large size panty, then you should go for L size tummy tucker. So this is how the size is as per my experience. Don't go for the free size ones if you are really plus size, because that might be too tight for you. So go for the ones that are available in size small, medium, large and XL and more plus sizes. Now the third thing is how to use tummy tuckers, whether you should use it daily or whether you should use it occasionally. Now there is no particular guide on that, but I can tell you by my experience, I always wear tummy tuckers under dresses that are really tight, like kurtis, in which my belly really bulges out. It looks bad. So under those dresses I wear it, but for the dresses which are loose, in which my tummy is not appearing that much, I don't wear it, because initially when you start wearing tummy tuckers, it will be uncomfortable for you because you are wearing something really tight on your belly. So initially start with wearing like 2 to 2.5 hours or 3 hours, and then you can increase the time as you use it, because you will get used to it. Also I use it when I used to go office, like from morning to evening, and after evening I used to remove it immediately, because by evening it becomes really uncomfortable. So as per my experience, wear it occasionally only under the dresses that are tight, where you need to show like a flat tummy. Otherwise use it only occasionally. That will be my advice, but you can go for as per your suitability. Also a lot of times people ask me that when they wear tummy tuckers, it gets rolled down from their belly to downside, so it is difficult to wear them. So that happens when your tummy tucker is really thin. So go for the ones which are like really thick, like this one is really thick, this one is also really thick. So thick ones stick to your place, stick to your belly, and they don't roll down. So don't go for the ones that are ultra thin. Usually those are the high-end branded ones, they are ultra thin and they will come down. So go for the ones which are really thick. So guys, this is all about tummy tuckers, where to buy, what size to choose, how to use, and all your confusions. If you have more questions, you can definitely ask in the comment section below. I will try to answer all your queries as far as possible. So do comment in the comment section below, and if you have any other requests, you can let me know in the comment section below. So this was all about it. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, Porky Makes. Also, if you want to see this video in Hindi, then I have another Hindi channel called Porky Makes Hindi, where I upload Hindi videos. So the same video you can see in Hindi language there. So its name is Porky Makes Hindi, and the link is given in the description box below, so you can check it out. Also, for all such and more fashion updates, all such stories, do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Porky Makes. Meet you next on another interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.